Hello again! This is the third entry of my blog, and here I will talk about the steps to give a correct explanation of graphs. There are three types of graphs: bar, pie, and line. First, I will talk about the line graph. Okay, let's start. At the beginning, we must identify what it is. So, what is the topic of the graph? This is in order to select an appropriate title and start the description. Then, because we have only a minute to speak in the speaking test of bullets, it is recommendable that we identify the main figures that your graph has and use appropriate vocabulary such as to rise or to dip. You should also talk about how fast this happened with adverbs like slightly or sharply. And this is my example of how to describe a line graph. This graph shows the distribution of the number of teenagers who use cell phones between 13 and 19 years old. As you can see, the number of teenagers increased gradually from 13 years to 17 years with 229 and 530 respectively. But after this, it decreased notably from 519 to 530. Finally, at age 19, it showed signs of recovery to 642. Finally, I will show you how to describe a pie chart. In the same way as the bar graph, it is necessary to identify the topic of the graph in order to find an appropriate title. Then, in the case of pie charts, we should start talking about the largest section to the smallest section of the graph. We don't have a lot of time in the speaking test, so we can identify the most significant section. Well, this is an example of how to describe a pie chart. This graph shows the breakdown of the percentage of people who use different internet browsers. The largest number was from Chrome, which constitute the 61.2% of the market. This was followed by Firefox with 15.5%. IE came with 12.1%, and the rest of the market is for Safari, Opera, Edge, and other browsers. So this is the end of the entry. I hope that you enjoy it and also learn how to describe different types of graphs. See you in the next entry. Bye!